conversation. Some of the trap with licks, some of the trap with vacant. Junior say I'll bring the bay, I'll bring the bay out. Nigga want top, we bring that K out, let the spray now. They gon' walk right in that pot, we beat it up back, y'all. Invade your pop, we stay on top, ain't nobody sick now. Go, 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 go. From the north to the mall, 500 K just the host. Go, 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 go. The neighbor too knows. Pack my bags and go, 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 go. Serve me a brick at the stove. Look like Shaq in the post. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
Back. Shorty, what up? Come on.
Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe me something.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl.
Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I spent. Pay me back when you shake it again. The dawn, all the time with all the shine. You small time, I ball with mine. Links, Minx, Bentley is all with mine. My jams bump out to the borderline. UK hot with it, blue spots with it. Every continent love when I spit it. Corners the blocks, even the cops feel it. Brothers on lockdown on they cot feel it. It's real in the field, the last Mohican who survived in the streets and did something decent. Now I got plans to buy the whole hood. Legit now, I ain't got a lot of no judge. I make hits now, money I flip now. Hood fella, every honey wanna kiss now. I lit up my neck, pinky and wrist now. So girls everywhere, this how we get down.
Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe me something.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl.
Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I lent. Pay me back when you shake it again. Play to win, girls in the club moving. I get them real hot, my song seduce them. I flow, I'm so mysterious. Nas and Nasty's the alias. Everything platinum, I glow. Cadillac trucks pulling up to the dough. On top, out the car, lounge at the bar. We spin a thou, we wow, look how rowdy we are. I feel like $1 million. Feel me holler to the max with the Benz and chrome wheel and polish. Thugs and renters to the players and ballers. Sexy mamas, fly ladies, looking proper. Look good enough to be taking shopping. Earrings, bracelets, now you rocking. Your body's so nice that I give you this option. Let you wear my big chain if we get it poppin'.
Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe me something.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl.
Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I lent. Pay me back when you shake it again.
Shackles on your feet. You owe me. I think you owe me some. You owe me. Shackles on your feet. Oh no, I think you owe me some. You owe
lock you down, baby. You know what you owe me. Mac like Goldie, it's the same story. Let you hold something, you spinning it right. Know where you gonna be by the end of the night. Make it bounce, shake it, move it around, wiggle it a little bit, throw it to the south. Fantasizing, me inside and you riding. Throw it like a stallion, you wearing my medallion.
Shorty, say what's your price?
Say what's your price, baby?
You can hold my price.
You can know.
Say you owe me something.
You want me something. Oh, yeah. I said,
Shorty, say what's your price?
you owe love.
Just sit back and
You
love.
owe genuine. You owe Timberland. You owe me something, babe.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Julia Hair, and today I'm reviewing this gorgeous highlighted bob from them. I believe that this is probably about a 14 inch, maybe a 12 inch. I'm not really sure on the length of this unit, but it is a very gorgeous bob nonetheless. And today, at first I was gonna do like a middle part and leave it straight, and then I started to like bump the ends, and then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a really like cute side part. But yeah, you guys, this is overall the finished look. I think it's beautiful. I love the highlights in it. I felt like some of the highlights were a little bit too harsh, like on this side, even when I like left it straight. So that's part of the reason why I did want to do like a flip over, just to help like blend it a little bit better. On this side, you can kind of see like what I mean by it being kind of harsh. Like if they could have blended that a little bit better, that would have been great. But nonetheless, it still looks great. One of the main things that I have to discuss right now though is the lace on this unit, you guys. The lace on this unit is so amazing. Like look, okay, it's definitely giving scalp. It's definitely giving very natural. You don't have to add baby hairs if that's not your thing, and I didn't want to add any baby hairs just because I wanted to really show you like how amazing the hairline is. So even if I come up close, you guys can see like what the hairline is giving. This is a parting space that I have. It was just like a rough part. I didn't really like perfect it or anything like that. I just like randomly decided to flip the hair over. I love the layers that I added into it, you know, very light layers. I really like how the color like looks better blended. But if you see like if I move the hair, like how harsh that line is, you know, it's like pretty harsh. So I think like doing a flip over definitely helps like mask that, and it helps like blend the two together a little bit. Like even right there, like you see it was kind of harsh right there. Like if I move my hair, you see it's like just a black little boop, and then it starts getting blonde. So it's like better if you like pull the blonde hair over, and then it helps like blend it all together a lot better. The only con that I guess I would have is just like some of the highlights are a little bit blunt, like maybe they could have blended it a little bit better. But other than that, I do like it. I did cut some of the length off as well because there were some pieces that were a little bit longer. These back pieces were shorter. I wanted everything to kind of just be the same length in the front. So that's why I decided to cut it just a little bit, nothing too crazy. The knots on this unit are so tiny that it gives you more of a natural look. Like if I come up close, you guys can see like what knots, you know what I mean? Like it's so tiny, like the little hairs, it's so like so small. But yeah, like the hair is like so small, so natural looking too. So that's another reason why I was like, you know what, I'm gonna leave it very natural. I'm not gonna like alter it in any way. I'm not gonna try to like add baby hairs and do all of that. Let's just do a nice classy look. So this is something that I think a lot of you guys would like if you're looking for a more simple look, and you guys know how much I love long hair. So this is a little bit different for me. I usually like really long hair, but today I'm rocking a cute little bob, and I think it's very cute and classy. I think this is something that would be great to like go to brunch if you want to have like a nice little Sunday brunch with your girl. If you want to go to like a wine tasting or something, I think this would be very cute to wear. If you just want to go to the bar real quick with your girl, I think this would definitely have a lot of people, you know, taking a second glance at you, because I notice a lot of people like blonde hair. It doesn't matter like who it's on, like people just like blondes for some reason, and I think blondes do have more fun because this is really, really fire. I'm not gonna gonna lie. And I think a lot of you guys will like this unit. If you're looking for something, you know, natural, but something that has a little pop of color in it, you know, this blonde is definitely wearable for deeper skin tones, if that was a concern of yours, because I know some people are like, girl, that's blonde. I cannot wear no blonde hair. I do not do the blonde. But this is like a more subtle blonde. It's more of like a honey blonde in a sense. It's not like a really bright like 613 blonde. It's just a nice like natural blonde, and I think it works for everyone. It's just a really great look, and it just makes me look very grown, sophisticated. I feel very sexy in this hair. Like, I just really like this look. I don't know, do you guys want me to turn around? I guess I should, right? I typically do, so let me turn around so y'all can see. So this is what it looks like in the back. Yeah, she's definitely giving. I really do like this unit. I think it's so sexy. Like, hello. Super sexy. So yeah, if any of you guys are interested in picking this unit up, make sure you check out that description box down below for a link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Julia Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.